How to delete a second Instagram account. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Then tap the three lines at the top right of your profile screen. From the menu, choose Settings and Activity, then tap on Account Center. Now go to Profiles and you'll see all the accounts that are currently connected. Go back and tap on Personal Details, then select Account Ownership and Control. Choose Deactivation or Deletion. And now here's the key part. Select the second account you want to delete. On the next screen, tap Delete Account. Then press Continue. You'll be asked to choose a reason for deleting. Just pick any option you prefer and tap. Continue again. Now press Continue one more time and type in your password to confirm that it's really you. Finally, tap Delete Account to complete the process. Just keep in mind, this is a permanent action, but if you change your mind, you've got 30 days to recover that account.